Hey y'all, this is just an unboxing video. I got this Blackstone Serve and Stone prep cart from Walmart. It's the Pro Series right there. The reason why I got it is I got it for pretty cheap at Walmart. It was on a clearance aisle, but we're gonna open it and take a look at see what's inside and see how the things are built. And then later on, you can follow me for the next video if you subscribe. I'll show you the next video of actually putting it together. But let's go open this together and let's see how this thing was shipped and how it's built. All right, let me put this on the stand real quick. There we go. You guys can see that. Then we'll start opening this thing together. All right, first thing. There you go, open that. Tape on the side. There you go. I have this on a little dolly so I could open it. There we go. That open. And let's start looking at what's inside. It has a 1-year warranty, so that's cool. Looks like this thing is pretty nicely packaged. I'm gonna move this over to the side. Let's see. Numbered boxes, 1 to 11, looks like it's pretty well packaged. Let's see, what is this? What is number 11? LED lights, nicely packaged. I think this is the LED lights for the small little piece in there. And that's a switch. So LED lights and a switch. Wonder where, they don't show anything with LED lights. Huh. Did not know there was LED lights with this. That's pretty nice. Well, this is the LED light bar. If you guys can see that. I don't know what you guys can see with the camera, but that's an LED light bar right there. So that's cool. Didn't know there was an LED light bar in this package. All right, I'm gonna put that back. Let's see what's next. Package number, oh, that's pretty heavy. Things with screws. I don't know what you can see. There's the things with screws right there. Everything's labeled, pretty nice. All right. Here's our instruction manual. Our little inspection sticker. And I don't know what this box number 3 is. Let's check out what this box number 3 is. What is this? Box number 3. And then there's a box number 6. Inside box number 3. This looks like, oh, these looks like a drawers. Let's see. Aha, yes, this is a drawer. These are the drawers with the trays. Pretty nice plastic tray. Plastic trays, orange cover. These are the drawers right there. Looks pretty well built. So yeah, that all goes in, everything's in a plastic bag. And then, yeah, that's what this is. That's what number 3 is. So that's what box number 3 is. And then box number 6 was inside. What is box number 6? Let's see. Box number 6. Oh, that's your beer bottle opener. Right in there. Looks like a door latch of some sort. And another, looks like this is a smaller drawer parts, but it looks like this is very well packaged. Got that was in here. All right. Moving to our next box. This is box number 4. Inside box number 4, there's also a box number 10. what's in box number 4? Box number 4 is it's a bigger tray. Oh, this is a sink. So that's for the sink, to put that's the drain. And then also in box number 4, they have some trays. I don't know what this part is, but this looks like some trays that will go somewhere. So that's what's in box number 4, the sink. Let's see what's in box number 10. Box number 10. Door handles, looks like. There are handles for the doors that you probably need to screw on. Looks like it's made of aluminum, some sort of metal. This looks like pretty nice build. And also we got the spout for the sink right there. See that? There you go. What else do we have in here? What are these little guys? Little hangers. I guess these are to hang your tools and something on when you get the thing assembled. So little hangers. So there are four of those little hangers in there. And also a large pull bar. So that's what's in box. I think this was number 10. I'll put all this back in because I will probably need to follow the instructions and know what box is in what when I start building this. This is box number 10, which was inside box number 4. Take this out. Next box. Box number 5. Let's see what's in box number 5. Put this back in here. Box number 5. Alright, what's in box number 5? More drawers. And the little thing in the middle. Yep, more drawers. So this is 3 drawers in here, 2 small ones and one large one with all the little containers. So that's cool. Alright, just put that back in here. This all fits very, very nicely. I think whoever did packaging did a really, really good job packaging all this together. Really nice packaging. This is box number 5. All right. And then now, I think, this, more packaging. Move this out of the way. Yep, move that out of the way. Box number 2. Let's see what's in here. I think this is the big box. I think this is the actual unit itself. Box number 2. Oh, these are the panels, and inside box number 2, there's box number 7. So this looks like one of the side panels for the unit. Put that over the side. Inside box number 2, we have lucky number box number 7. All right. Open box number 7 too. Inside box number 7, what do we have here? Box number 7. This looks like another. Looks like this one is a side. This goes on the side, and this is one of your side fold-out things. And there's another side fold out. Oh, that is what, this thing is what holds your sink. So that's the side for the sink. Inside this box is also a box number 8. So that means inside box 2, there's the box 7, which is this one, and inside box 7, there's the box 8. So 8 is inside of 7, 7 is inside of 2. I like how they have all these boxes labeled. They're very nice. See what's in here. See how to open it. What's in box number 8? In box number 8, we have a lot of miscellaneous stuff. We've got the wheels, and got some brackets, got some wheels. So, and I'll lay all this out later when we start building it. So I'll start arranging this in pieces, or in a form where we'll build this later. So that's inside 8. So 8 and 7 right here. So that's how all that goes. Let's get this back in here. There we go. Take this out. See what else is on the bottom. Inside here on the bottom, we have another handle, some more, and this is the heavy part. This looks like the bottom. Let's see how big this box is. Oh, this looks like the bottom piece. Kind of heavy. Yep. This is your bottom piece, so that's all that's in this box. Put this on the side. Is there anything else underneath? And then, yep, there's one more box. So this is box number 2. And right under number 2 is box number 1. With a lot more packaging. So actually the piece that I just pulled out, that was the actual top table, because I see hinges on the back of it. But I'll show you why I just pulled that again. This was box number 2. Thing is, I see hinges right here. So that means this is the cover and the top part with you could see the label of it right there, and some hinges. So this is your top portion. So we'll get to that later. And then now we'll get to box number 1. Box number 1. How much would you bet that there's another box inside box number 1? I bet you there's a box within a box within a box again. Then here you have some more side panels. Nope, that's not a side panel. That looks like the bottom piece. Here's a side panel. And this looks like probably the main bottom piece. Oops. And that somehow is stuck. Oh, yep. This is actually a main side piece right here. That's what that looks like, because there's rails on the side of that. And that is sandwiched over there. Let's try to get this out. Oh. Let's see, how can I get this out? I think this is a... Oh, there's a screw here that's tying it together, so I'll probably need to... Well, there's screws right here that ties these two pieces together. So that's probably a shipping screw. I don't want to mess with that right now. Here's that piece. And here, I think there's two things right here. And I think that's a these are shipping to keep everything in place while it's shipping. So I probably need to take these screws out right here. But yep, that's what's in box, that box. Put that to the side. And then one more. I think that's the bottom of the box. So that's your unboxing video of this thing. Next video, just subscribe to my channel and I'll show you the next one when I actually build this thing. Now that this box is gone, this is light. So, just show you the mess that I just made. Box, panels, another box in there. So there's another panel right there. Anyways, I'll get everything laid out and get everything built. See you guys next time.